Are you running sponsored products campaigns and wondering how your ads perform across different placements? Hi, my name is Sandeep Sajwan and I'm the founder of Regro Media. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use placement reports to evaluate performance and optimize your bids for maximum campaign efficiency. Let's dive in. Let me show you where to find the placement report in your Amazon Ads console. Navigate to Measurement and Reporting, Sponsored Ads Reports. Go to Reports homepage and click Create Report. From here, select the Placement Report option. This report is incredibly powerful because it breaks down your campaign performance by specific ad placements. The placement report shows performance across three main ad placements. Top of search, first page. These are the premium positions at the very top of search results. They typically get the highest visibility and often the best conversion rates, but they are also the most competitive. Rest of search, these are other positions within search results pages below the top spots. They still capture high intent shoppers actively searching for products. Product pages, these ads appear on product detail pages. Shoppers here are already viewing specific products, making this placement ideal for complementary items or competitive targeting. Each placement behaves differently in terms of cost, visibility, and conversion performance, which is why analyzing them separately is crucial. Now let's talk about how to read your placement report data. Pay close attention to these key metrics for each placement. Sales, total revenue generated, ACoS, advertising cost of sales, your ad spend as a percentage of sales, ROAS, return on ad spend, return on money you spent on ads, conversion rate, how many clicks turn into purchases, cost per click, what you are paying for each click. Here's what to look for. If top of search is delivering strong sales with a low ACoS, this is your golden opportunity. This placement is working efficiently for you and you should consider increasing your investment here. On the flip side, if product page placements are generating clicks but few conversions, you are essentially burning money. This tells you it's time to reduce or even turn off placements multiplier for that position. This brings us to placement multipliers, your lever for bid optimization. What are placement multipliers? Placement multipliers are percentage-based adjustments you apply to your base bid that control how much you are willing to pay for ads in specific placements. Here's how they work. Let's say your base bid is 1 rupee. If you set a 50% multiplier for top of search, your actual bid becomes 1 rupee 50 paisa for that placement. If you set a 25% multiplier for product pages, your bid becomes 1 rupee 25 paisa there. If you set a 0% for rest of search, it stays at your base bid of 1 rupee. The higher your multiplier, the more aggressively you are bidding for that placement, which increases your chances of winning that ad spot. I recommend you use placement reports and multipliers to make informed, data-backed decisions about where to increase or decrease investments based on actual insights.